daming nagtatanong ano daw pwede dalhin sa loob ng Hong Kong Disneyland. Water bottle, yes pwede. Dala-dala namin tong 1.5 liters. Pwede rin kayo magdala ng aqua flask dahil may mga refilling station inside Hong Kong Disneyland. Syempre huwag kalimutan magdala ng payong dahil minsan mainit sa Disneyland tas maya-maya bigla namang uulan. Ang daming nagtatanong pwede daw ba magdala ng tripod. Yes, pwede itong mga mobile tripod. Wag lang yung mga professional size like this one. Huwag na din pala kayo bumili ng foldable chair dahil bawal yan sa loob. Pwede ba magdala ng snacks? Yes, pwede. Nagdala kami nitong chocolate at saka chips for the kids. Paano naman yung stroller with extension board? Pwede ba yan dalhin sa loob? Yes, pwede. Wag lang yung stroller wagon like this one. Pwede din ba mag-costume? Yes, as long as you're age 16 years old and below. Pwede ba magdala ng toys and bubble wand? Yes, pwede. Bawal lang yung toy gun like this. So don't forget to book your tickets via Klook and use our promo code for discount. Thank you for watching. Bye!